10 months after the tragic crash of Air India flight AI-171, families of the victims have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding the release of the cockpit voice recorder and black box data to understand what led to the disaster. The crash occurred on June 12, 2025, when a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner operated by Air India en route to London crashed shortly after takeoff from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The aircraft slammed into a medical college hostel complex and burst into flames. The devastating incident claimed the life of 241 out of 242 passengers and crew on board, along with 19 people on the ground, taking the total death toll to 260. Around 30 distressed families from Gujarat met in Ahmedabad on Saturday and jointly wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Copies of the letter were also sent to the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, and Bhupendra Patel. In their letter, the families requested the release of the cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder, commonly known as the black box. They said that if the data cannot be made public, it should at least be shared privately with the victims' families. Nilesh Purohit, who lost his 24-year-old son in the crash, said his home now feels empty. He added that no amount of compensation can fill the absence and that the family simply want to know what really happened. Kinjal Patel from Vasat, who lost her mother, also raised concerns about a website created by Air India to help families recover victims' belongings. She said, the site lists more than 25,000 items, but the images are unclear, making it extremely difficult to identify personal belongings. Meanwhile, Romain Vora from Kedah, who lost his mother, brother and daughter in the crash, highlighted communication challenges. He said, there is only one email ID provided and responses often take up to 15 days. He added that many families from rural areas are unfamiliar with digital tools and do not know how to use email. The grieving families continue to demand transparency, saying that knowing the truth behind the crash is the only way they can find closure after the devastating tragedy.